I have here the brake sensor, which in my opinion is my favorite. You can control when to stop the motor. You deem necessary, you can press the lever and stop the motor, or you can use the gear sensor. Every time you click the shifter, the gear shifter, the cable will move up and down and will send a signal to the controller to stop the motor while you shift gears. The main point is the gear sensor can only be connected to the controller gear sensor port. If you decide to connect the gear sensor to the brake cable in the 1 to 4 cable, like this, you're gonna have a high delay when shifting gears. It's like holding the clutch for a long time when shifting the gears in your car. If you have the gear shifter, install it directly to the controller.
Another video coming to an end. If you like it, please share and subscribe to our channel. If you didn't like it, send it to your enemies.